All right, guys. So for the 2000, I believe 2010 up to 2014, we have an issue. An issue is whenever we put, sometimes whenever the light goes out, one of the turning signals, it does a quick blink. And in this case, my truck on the Raptor, 2012 Raptor, front turn signals don't work. Both sides. So this could go for the front, this could go for the back. Doesn't really matter. Y'all can see the back works, just it blinks fast. So what you have to do is, the lights are not out. What you have to do is go to a mechanic shop that has a scanner that you can delete the codes on. You can either go to a mechanic shop that has it, or order yourself a small OBD2 scanner to connect on the OBD2 port and delete the BCM codes. Any codes that are stored on there will come up about the lights, so you gotta delete those. After you delete them, it will blink normal, how it's supposed to blink. Right now the truck's off, that's why it has all the lights on, but it'll blink normal in the front and it'll blink normal in the back. See, now they blink to the correct speed. So that's all you got to do. Y'all can do it on your own, or take it to a shop that can have a good scanner that will delete the codes off the BCM. That's pretty much it, guys. That goes for some of the 4 vehicles, and yeah, it can either happen to you in the back tail lights, either left or right, or front left or right turning signals. So that's something, good to know. If y'all like it, go ahead, like, share, and subscribe. And also, I'm gonna put the address to shop, my shop, where y'all can come, and I'll be gladly to help you out if you have the same issue. We're in the Houston area, LaPorte area of Texas, Deer Park area, and Pasadena area. So we're kind of like in the middle of all that, of all those cities. We're actually located in Pasadena, but we're right next to Deer Park, and all the other cities are close by. So if y'all want to pay, to do it on your own, just come ahead and give us a call. I'll put the shop name where y'all can go follow on Facebook and message me if you have to. But that's it. Peace.